You can't really see because of the fog, but it's pretty deep.
It's not as bad down there.
It's so foggy. I can't even see where I'm walking. And the water's really cold. It's Jacob with his rolled up
iron rod or anything. You have to get elastic in it. You get a good video?
Yeah, I'm recording it now.
Yeah.
My feet are so
Up there
cold.
looks way not as bad as up there.
You can't even see anything up there.
You know what's with that? I think it's the chemicals that they were dumping the other day, like all that dust and white stuff.
Probably.
Like loads of it.
Huh? You can see. It's pretty deep. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. Oh my gosh, it is freezing. I'm getting out of the water. It's cold. I can't feel my feet.
I can't either, but keep walking.
It's not even winter. And I can't feel my feet. Okay, ready? Just parking on campus. It's cool.
Maybe he'll give us a ride to our car.
Maybe. Give everyone a ride. I'm surprised they made it up.
So make a good experience. I can't feel this either, but you know what?
Hey, that
Pretty
little...
soon, they won't be cold.
No. That's bad. That's a bad thing. I want them to have feeling in them. Oh my goodness, look at that flood up there. Found a dry spot next to the river. Oh, those really were chemicals like in the air. They got all over my phone. Look, Jacob, it's a whirlpool. Look at that.
Let's go around.
Let's go. You think we can cross over there? Oh, it's really deep over there. Can't really see very well.
It's so cold. It's so cold.
Oh gosh. My feet get covered. Which way's better to go? What? You said there's a better way than this?
Where are you heading?
To the free parking down there, past outside of campus.
I'd go, actually no, you're pretty safe that way. Just don't go down the stairwell. It's a waterfall.
Where's the stairwell?
What?
Where's the stairwell?
If you're going down there, down by the snow, you go to the
Oh,
right of the
okay.
snow, there's a stairwell.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you.
Okay. Oh, gross. Look, giant.
They got the alarm going.